Legit Patrick.
And presenting the check of $3,000 and a trophy, and for being first ever winner of Let's Stay Fair Maker, we would like to thank our esteemed honorable Attorney General for handing it over. $3,000 goes back to Sabu Sabu! And also goes back to Kino! Ladies and gentlemen, your winner and first ever winner of Let's Stay Fair
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I don't intend to be very long, but just very quickly to say that 70% of Fiji's population or thereabouts is below the age of 40. That means we have a lot of young people in Fiji. That means we have a lot of opportunities in Fiji, because young people provide the dynamism that is required for any country. So we value the young people in Fiji, and events such as this, dance, art, literature, poetry, filmmaking, is always a sign of a country maturing. To be able to showcase that in a place such as Albert Park, to be able to showcase that on film, to be able to showcase that overseas, to be able to showcase that in international events, is what we all should be doing. It's a celebration of who we are. It's a celebration of where we want to go. It's also taking advantage of the fusion, the ability to create fusion, because Fiji, of course, is at the intersection of many, many different inputs, many, many different cultural inputs to create what is uniquely Fijian. So we should all be proud of it, and I'd like to thank Nescafe for giving us this opportunity, creating this opportunity, and hopefully we'll see it bigger and better next year. There are various other initiatives, like the Film Fiji has the Kula Dance Awards, and hopefully we can have that being simulated, and to be able to create all of you who are here, to give you that creativity so you can produce more and have a lot more better features in the following year. So a bit of a level to everybody who helped in producing this, and we all look forward to seeing a wonderful show today, as highlighted by Dallas. Nobody really goes away a loser. Some, of course, may perform better on the day, but everybody else must be encouraged to continue to do what they do so well. So I wish you all a very good evening, and thank you once again. Naka.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our special guest tonight.